Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to swap a Honda Civic engine. Disconnect the battery and secure the car on jack stands, then drain fluids and remove the hood to improve access. Take photos of connections, label each harness and hose, and set aside fasteners in labeled containers. Remove intake, exhaust, and engine mounts in a sequence that keeps the engine supported and balanced throughout the lift and removal process. Start by supporting the engine and lifting slightly to relieve mount tension, then unbolt mounts in a safe, controlled order. Disconnect the fuel, coolant, and electrical systems while keeping parts organized and labeled for later. If transmission removal is required, follow vehicle-specific steps and use a transmission jack to prevent damage. Work methodically, double-check clearances, and use helper assistance when guiding the engine out of the bay to avoid scratching or bending components. Lower the replacement engine carefully into the bay, aligning mounts and transmission input shaft precisely to avoid cross-threading or damage. Tighten fasteners in the correct sequence and use a torque wrench to meet specifications, then reconnect fuel, coolant, and electrical systems with labeled parts. Reinstall accessories and belts, refill engine oil and coolant, and check for leaks. Once everything is connected, run the engine briefly to monitor for odd noises, then recheck torque and fluid levels after a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.